Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you had a fantastic week. All right, I hope you caught the move, the breakdown that I did last week. I hope you caught the move because price moved exactly how I said it in my previous video. You want a receipt? Okay, check out. This was my previous video, right? This was my previous video. This is what I drew. That we're gonna see this and we see this, all right? If you haven't seen that video, you can go back and watch it. And this one that I'm gonna drop now, I want you to take notes. If you've not been taking notes, I want you to take notes. If you've not been liking the video, I want you to like it, comment and share, all right? Comment and share. All right, so let's dive into it. What happened? Exactly the same thing happened. So there's no even need for me to do a breakdown. All right, this was an easy move that it gave us last week. All right, I mentioned that I want to see if I'm going to trust the buy. I want to see PDRAs being created inside here. What happened here? We started creating it and price pushed up. All right, so where did price reverse from? We had this breaker here. There was a breaker here. We had this breaker, so price reversed from it, and the rest was history. All right, so now we're gonna do our weekly analysis to see what Nas have for us for next week. I want you to watch to the end of this video because I'm also gonna drop some educational stuff. You know me, tell you how you can catch what's gonna happen next. All right, so I want you to get your pen and paper, then write things down. Bro, write things down. All right? So let's dive into it. Okay, so where do we start from? We're going to start from the weekly. But I want us to look at the monthly again. I want us to look at the monthly because the week just ended, right? And let's look at what we have on Forex Factory for this week. Okay, so if you look at this week, also it's gonna be a great week again. A lot of pips will be pushed on our side and we're gonna catch it. All right, so looking at on Monday, there's nothing on Monday, so we can skip Monday. Tuesday, high impact news. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Woof! We'll have NFP again on Friday. All right. Am I correct with this calendar? No, I'm not correct. Okay, wait. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I was looking at the previous week. Okay, on Monday, we have high impact news, red folder, on Monday and Thursday. So it's still gonna be a great week, all right? So we will trade on Monday. On Monday will give us something really good. All right, so let's get back to the chart. So as I said, let's look at this monthly. Let's start from monthly. So looking at the monthly here, once again, price is sitting on a monthly order block. So let's mark this as red. Monthly order block. That's number one. So what do we expect here? Remember our time frame alignment. If we're looking at the monthly, we want to align it with the daily. All right, we're gonna align it with the daily. So having this in mind, if price is going to reverse from here, we want to see it. We want to see daily disrespect this order block. This is an order block. All right, this is an order block. So we want to see it disrespect this order block, then to the upside. All right, if price wants to reverse. All right, remember, if price wants to reverse, because price can do whatever it likes. If price wants to reverse, whenever it wants to reverse inside of that order block, we want to see this. All right, so but for the meantime, we have this order block which is coming from a fair value gap. My students will understand this concept from fair value gap to an order block. That's how price move. So we have this order block on the daily, right, which is a very confirmed order block because it's coming from this level. So now we want to trade off this. You see how I find my bias, right? You see how I find my bias? It's as easy as that. All right? Find your bias on the higher time frame. Go on a lower time frame. Wait for your kill zone. Wait for price to get there, and wait for your sell confirmation. That's it. You don't have to complicate this. You're not trying to buy off here. Now, even though price is sitting here, all right, You don't want to buy off here. If you're trading daily and monthly, you don't want to buy off here. Trust me, you don't want to do that. Unless if you're trading other time frame. All right. So as I promised you, this is gonna be not just gonna be analysis. It's gonna be more of educational, okay, and analysis. All right. So let's continue. So let's get back to my favorite time frames. Now I just did for monthly and weekly, monthly and daily for you. I'm just so excited, guys. I'm just so excited because looking at my journey, like it's been getting more clearer and clearer. The more simple I keep this, the more clearer it becomes. You see how I find my bias now? So easy. All right. So now let's go on weekly and 4 hour. All right. Let's go on weekly and 4 hour and see what we have there. It have to align with what we have here. That's just the thing. But let's go on it. Let's go on weekly and see. Price just close below here. All right. What's that telling us? Price close below this. What is this telling us? This is telling us that we're disrespecting the bullish PDRAs. And whenever we're disrespecting bullish PDRAs, what is that telling us? That's telling us that the other side, if we're disrespecting this, price start coming down, disrespecting this. All right. Oh, sorry the way I drew this. Okay, so just be patient with me. I want you to watch to the end of this video, okay? You're gonna benefit from it. So when price is coming down, disrespecting this first, just know we're bearish. That's another easy way to find your buyers. All right? We already disrespected this first one. Come on, this isn't so easy to see, right? See, let me tell you something. All right, let me tell you one thing. Right? There's many YouTubers, many big traders out there. Yeah, they have their experience, but trust me, they won't tell you what I'm telling you, right? They won't tell you what I'm telling you. But let me not waste more time talking about those things. They won't tell you all those things, but it's all good. So when we're disrespecting that, all right, you wanna see price continue lower, all right? But again, as I usually tell you guys, for those who have or has whatever that has been following me, I do tell you that price can only do two things. It's either it go up or it goes down. All right? Price will never go like this. It will never go like that. Never. I've not seen it done that before. I don't believe in price is in a range. We can't trade it. I don't believe in that. I like it to be in a range. When it's in a range, that will tell me what price wants to do next. Yeah, you understand? When price is in a range, right? Let's say you were trading going up. Of course, you're gonna find your target up there, and it's going back down. You can catch a trade as long as you're doing it on higher time frame. It's going up, you can trade it again, right? But you trading this, you have to know that, right? When price go up here, you don't need to chase it, all right? Depending on what you're seeing on the other higher time frame, because you can't just trade one higher time frame. Like I need a lot of time to explain all those things, man. I need a lot of time to explain all this. Okay, what I mean now is that let's do this like this. Let's say this thing is gonna fix a lot of mistakes in some of you're trading. It's gonna fix a lot of mistakes. Let's say you're trading 15 minutes. Let's say you're trading 15 minutes and 4 hour, right? You're trading 15 minutes and 4 hour. You just don't need this time frame only. You need other higher time frame behind it. You need to add weekly. You need to add weekly behind it. Same thing goes if you're trading 1 hour. If you're trading 1 hour, 5 minutes for entry, you need something behind it. you need your daily. All right, use this to fix, because I see a lot of traders just trade 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's all. Nope. You need other higher time frame to support it. All right, so let's continue here. So now, as I said, price can either go high or go low. So how do you want to know that it's going lower, right? How do you want to know that it's going lower? So now that's when I have to look at my 4 hour. All right, this is analysis and education. All right, so I hope you're getting it. That's why I want you to get your pen and paper. If you didn't do that, you can rewind back the video, get your pen and paper, and write things down, bro. Write things down. Write it down. So what do we have on 4 hour? Is 4 hour bullish or bearish? We bearish, all right? But we bearish doesn't mean once the market open, you want to start selling. Nope. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because you don't know how far this thing will pull back up, all right? Looking at here, we have an order block here. This is the order block, my favorite order block that I teach my students. My favorite order block, the most strongest order block. All right, so we have order block here. And what else do we have here? We have a breaker here. We have a breaker, a solid breaker here. We have a breaker. You can mark from the wick. You can mark from the body. Whichever one you do, you're right. All right. So now that we have this level, we'll have to forget about this that we marked on the weekly. See, I'm finding my buyers, right? So what else do we want to do? We want to wait for time to align. All right. So again, we have this fair value gap here. Look left. What does this fair value gap align with? It aligns with this weekly, with this week. That makes this level high probability. So now we're just gonna wait for a pullback into this and sell off. All right. Though we are waiting for this, right? But that doesn't mean once price tap here, we're just gonna start selling. No, we wait for confirmation. Price can either tap here or tap here. All right. We wait for confirmation on the lower time frame for price to tell us that we're actually going down. All right, because trust me, as I always say, price can either go up or go down. So price can go up, it's allowed to do its thing. But when it goes up, we have to find a PDRA that wants to support price to go up. Just the same way price came down, right? We let it do its thing first. It came down. Then we find a PDRA to support it go down. It's as simple as that. If you complicate it, I don't know. If you complicate it, I don't know. Bro, don't complicate it. Just leave it like that. All right? All you just have to do in this trading is that let price do its thing. We're not trying to catch a sniper entry. All right? Let price show you what it wants to do. All right? Once it shows you what it wants to do, it's going to leave footprints behind. It's going to leave its footprint behind. All right? When they come back to fill up those gaps or come for those orders, then you join. You join. You understand? You don't have that $1 billion, unless you have $1 billion in your capital, then you can do whatever you want in the market. All right? But we have all this money that we all retail traders. We all retail traders. You understand? We all retail traders. Don't let anybody tell you something else. Knowing that you're a retail trader is not a bad thing. All right? So, I should have deleted this. So this is my bias for the week. I want to see this. And where will I be targeting? First of all, I want to find these targets. I'm just going to keep doing this until now start telling me that we're going to reverse. All right. So looking at the weekly, all right, price is sitting in this order block. This is an order block. This is a huge order block again that we have here. This is a huge order block. All right. So anything can happen. If Nas decides to, give us that pullback, we're just going to respect that and go with it. All right. So if you can find just one direction that will give you some pips during the week, that's enough. You don't need to do too much, bro. You don't need to go up, go down, go up, go down. No. I just gave you one bias now. All right. So now we're sitting in this order block. All right. We're also sitting here. So if we get a reversal going up, all we just have to do, again, we align it with the 4 hour. Right now, what is 4 hours saying? 4 hours is bearish. So when we align it with 4 hour, then the same thing that I said here, I want to see those bullish PDRAs get formed. So it's the same thing that I want to see here. If price wants to go up, I want to see those PDRAs get formed. Then if we pull back into it, then I'm going to buy. But for now, we have PDRAs for bearish. That's only what I see. I'm not seeing any bullish PDRAs. All right. So then I want to sell back into this low here. But if price open up on Monday and we start seeing it start dropping and creating the PDRA that says that, okay, we keep dropping, then yeah, then I'm gonna find those PDRAs where I want to get a pullback into, then I sell. It's as easy as that. All right, just find your PDRA, sit down on your butt and wait for price to come back for your retest, and you join the trend. All right, guys, do enjoy the rest of your week. Okay, I thought I wasn't recording. Do enjoy the rest of your week. All right, so if you want to join my Telegram group, you can, comment and tell me you want to join. I will add you there. It's free. All right, and one thing I would like you to do like, comment, and share. All right, so that other traders can also see this and benefit from it. All right, so enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you again. All right, very soon. Bye.